What if your investing app didn't just help you trade, but also paid your streaming, your daily expenses, and your travel? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risk. So before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, please consider your risk appetite. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that with this investment app. It's called Crypto.com. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Crypto.com. So as you go, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go through the website with you. Please make sure that you go to Crypto.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, they have three different options right here for you, where you can either pay monthly or you can pay yearly. You have the Plus, the Pro, and the Private, and all of them come with a lot of benefits. So it's definitely worth pausing the video and checking this out for yourself. As you can see, they have zero trading fees, which is something that is massive. If you are a trader, this is something that you are looking for, and this is something that immediately attracted me towards Crypto.com, and that is something that sets them apart from the market in 2026. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, you can actually earn bonuses when you transfer the following: ETFs and stock. If you're a US user and you transfer one of these two, you can actually earn a 3% bonus, which is absolutely massive for just doing a transfer with either stocks or ETFs. And if we scroll down, you can see that you can spend dollars and earn crypto, and look at these different ones that you can actually get 2% back, 3% back, or even 6% back if you go with the private option, which I think is also pretty cool. So this is what they offer as an investing platform. And as you can see, you can start your free trial today. You get a 30-day free trial. So go and check them out. There's no risk. You can cancel at any time. So it's definitely worth checking it out. Okay, and Crypto.com is actually more than just a trading platform. It is actually your all-in-one solution for finance and investing. And like I said in the intro of today's video, it is actually going to help you pay for stuff like streaming, daily expenses, and even traveling by just using Crypto.com. So it has a simple interface that is built for every type of user. So whether you're an individual, or you're a business, or you're an intermediate to an advanced, or even a beginner, Crypto.com's dashboard is perfect for you, and you'll be able to do everything in order to level up your investment skills and your wealth. And an everyday perk actually includes something like getting rebates on Netflix and even Spotify, which is something that is crazy because I use Netflix and Spotify every single day, and earning rebates on that is actually insane. You can even get CRO rewards up to 6% per purchase, which is absolutely amazing. And then right here, you can sign up for the cheapest package right here, $4.99 per month. And as I said before, you can start that 30-day free trial, no commitment. You can cancel at any point, and you can go and try them out completely for free. So why would you not do it? And that is literally how good Crypto.com actually is. Take invest smarter, save on fees, and enjoy the perks that actually make life better. Start your free trial today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.